Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Motorola Moto E40. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now you have to go to Data and Privacy, and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password, and here you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes, then click Delete account. And now you can go to your Google Play Store app again and click Sign In. Now you have to enter your email address again. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And now, as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.